Hello, good morning from Calgary in Canada, and here I go with the summary of yesterday's first day at the Rapid workshop. I must confess that I was very surprised with the quality of the speakers yesterday. It was absolutely amazing. It was very interesting, one of the sessions after lunch, dealing with the hardcore of radiation biology. It is a new field for me, and I was very impressed with all the speakers. But here I go with some interesting facts from yesterday. I will say that the number of participants was quite high, maybe around, I will say maybe 60, 70 participants, more or less, and some data. First of all, did you know that in Canada, 2 out of 5 lung cancer cases are due not to tobacco exposure? This is very interesting. Also, in Canada, they perform screening for lung cancer. Of course, the target for this screening, they need to fulfill some particular criteria, but they do this in Canada. I know in other countries this is under discussion. Regarding with radon, in Canada, the geometric mean, according to the recent data, is 85 becquerel per meter cube, which is quite high, I will say. And the Health Canada on its presentation said that very soon, in early fall 2024, they will release a new guidance for the use of continuous radon monitors, the radon instruments, which is important. I am looking forward to that guidance. Also, there was a very interesting presentation about lung cancer and the economy aspects of lung cancer. Sometimes people are a little bit reluctant to discuss this issue, but it is important to consider this aspect. And finally, there was a presentation very interesting about how wildfires, wildfires are more and more common, unfortunately, due to climate change, and how they affect at the molecular level. What is the impact of these wildfires? After the day, we conclude with a very nice evening in one of the nearby pubs here near the hotel. And that's all about yesterday. And today we will continue here in Calgary at the Rapid workshop, and I will deliver a presentation about radon instruments. So I am looking forward to start in a few minutes the second day, and big greetings from Calgary to all of you. Bye bye, and stay tuned for my video of the summary of second day of here at the Rapid workshop in Calgary, Canada. Bye bye.